In my paper cutting process, when I use the term positive space, I'm referring to the presence of material, in this case, black paper. So for me, positive space is the black paper I'm using. And negative space is the cutouts, it's the negatives, it's where there isn't black paper, which is usually white or light. And if we look at the hearts here, of course, they're inverted. The heart on the left is a negative space heart. The heart on the right is a positive space heart. If you look at it quickly, you won't think about it at all. It's like, yeah, a black heart and a white heart. But when you start entering this process and working with material and working in compositions, these two hearts will start to feel very different. And it's not always easy to express why, but I hope to walk you through some of the reasons they're different. Part of it is a kind of visual training with the material, which is when you see that the black is an object, you start to see it as mass, as something that has weight and something that exists. And you start perceiving the white and the light as absence and lightness. We often project a kind of feelingness or physicsness to it. It'll have more weight, it'll have more stability. Looking at the white, it'll be more electric, light, not sturdy, but energetic. And as those are my two colors, they will shape a lot of my decisions about how I use them. Here are two female figures. One of them is primarily made of positive space. So the one on the left, her body is made of the black paper. It's positive space. If you take a moment and look at it, and then look at the female figure on the right, who is made up of negative space, it's cut out, it's light, it's everything around her is more substantial. If you look back and forth between them, you might start to feel different weights, different optical tactility. The one on the left is more sufficient. She can stand firmer. She defines her own stability. And specifically, she's a free-floating figure. She doesn't have a composition actually to define her. She's just standing on a blank field. But she doesn't need anything else because she defines herself. And that's a quality of her being positive space. The figure on the right, because she's negative, she is very much defined by what's around her. What surrounds her, her environment, informs how we read her figure.